tape it, and make it. In this video, we show you a taping technique for complaints in the lower back area. We simply mark the area of pain and will now stick 4 prepared tapes along the spine, across and diagonally to it. We have already prepared these tapes and rounded off the corners to improve the adhesive power. The first step is to have the person bend forward. The back should be as round as possible during the whole procedure. We start with the first prepared strip, divide the backing paper in the middle and apply it, under maximum tension, directly along the spine. The base is spread out loosely at the top and bottom without tension. After rubbing the first strip a little more, we take the second strip, divide it in the middle, and also tape it under maximum tension at 90 degrees angle to the first strip, over the pain point, and spread the base again loosely without tension. Divide the third strip again in the middle and stick it on exactly diagonally to the 2 tapes that have just been stuck together, under maximum tension. Smooth out the base again without tension. Finally, divide the fourth strip, pull it, and stick it on. Then smooth out the base. Rub each strip several times. The resulting heat improves the adhesive strength. When we straighten it up, we see a nice ripple formation, which shows us that this tape was adhered optimally. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.